Hey guys, this is Mimi. I'm coming to you today to show you how I do my eyebrows. And here we go. I first like to outline my eyebrows, and I like to go up from my nose to mid of my eyebrow to the end. Then I connect them, connecting the dots, and then after that, I fill it in. That just gives me some shape, so I know where I'm going once I start with my concealer. And I do the same thing to the other side. You see all the people walking in the background? My husband and my son, all in my video. It's okay. Hey, shaking the table. Sit still. Look at Chef Bardi. My son is up there making his food. And my husband peeks his head in too. He is so nosy. Look at him. So I'm filling in my eyebrows. That's what I do. Because that's what I like. And that's my business. So I'm making sure it looks okay before I start placing in my concealer. Look at this boy, showing all my business. He is so funny, but that's my business. And if I love to have me a drink or two, so am me. So let's get back. Now I'm filling in my brows with my concealer. I like to go a shade or two lighter so you can see where you're going. And then after that, I like to blend it out. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. It's a little awkward using my left hand, but I made it do what it do. He's back again. It's look pretty good, pretty even. Now blend it out. So when you put your foundation on, when I put my foundation on, you won't see no harsh lines. It looks natural. Not too dark. And that's it. You see the brows, you see the new look. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. This is Mimi B.